Which part?
Just do it over.
So you bring your fence to here, you lock it, and then you run your finger along here to make sure they're flush. They're obviously not because I exaggerated them. And then you just, there's two Allen keys on the front here. You just adjust them.
And they adjust those little pads.
Yeah, they move the pads. They don't have to go far either.
Yeah.
They move the pads on the inside. Plug it back down, light it back up, lock it. Still got a ways to go.
How much are you turning it each time?
Depends how far out it is.
But like,
Like a quarter turn, a full turn?
Well, I'm going far because I went really far when I exaggerated it. But generally, it's an eighth of a turn, not much. Okay, so now I've gone too far, and also
ooh, it's not tight.
it's not tight. So this is how you adjust the tension as
Yeah.
well. So we give just a small smidget here, and then over here because this is the side that's out. So like that. This is a finesse operation, and it takes a couple tries to figure it out.
And you
feel like it could be
have
better
your own
designed.
Allen keys.
Yeah, these are mine.
Yeah.
There are Allen keys at the front.
Yeah.
Is that
Yeah, that's good.